Okay, so I'm using this video to like walk you through how to fix everything. Okay, so this is the battery, 48 volts. Please, you must charge this battery very well before you try using the machine. Okay, so this is second battery. Okay, so we have the hose. This is the hose. So please, the hose, let's loosen it. You need to ensure that the hose is properly loosened, straightened out. Okay, we straighten it out. Okay, so that it's not folded when you want to test. So this is the gun. Okay, and this is the foam container. So now I'm going to open this. Okay. So this is the nozzle. Okay, this is the white and red. This is the filter that goes into the body of water. Okay, and this one is connected to the gun. Using this is also where you're going to connect the hose to. So let's start. So let's start with the hose. So this one to this one. Okay. So you see it. So you have it like this. Still pushed it in a bit. So this is how it should look. Okay, this is how this side should look. So this other side, okay, is going to, so you loosen this. Okay, put this one inside like this. All right, and then you force this in. So you see it. So you just push it in gradually, right? So this is how it's going to look. Then you take this back. Okay, so this is fixed now. So you notice this one, you can pull it back. Okay, so now you bring the gun. Okay, you pull this back. Look at this one. So you see this one. Let me just demonstrate again. This one, you pull it back and you put it into this spot. So you pull it back like this, and then you release it. You get, it's not properly fixed. So you see it now. You must ensure that you fix it properly. If not, it will give you difficulty. It will not work. Okay, so notice what I did now. I did not just put it like this. I didn't just pull back and then just put it like this and I left it. No, you push it in and lock it in, right? You lock it in. So this one is done now. Now this is to the gun. So you put this here and you screw. Okay. You screw. Okay. Then you push this and it locks. Okay. So now this one is where you attach the different nozzle. So this, what you do is you pull this back, you put this in and you release. Let me do it again. You pull this back, push this in, you release this one. You get, that's how you fix this. That's also how you fix the white one. Let me put the white. Pull the white. So you pull the white. Okay, it locks in. You see it? That's how you do the white. So you pull back, remove it. The same thing for the foam can. Okay. So that's how you do all of them. So I'll remove this now. So the next thing now is the battery. So this is how you fix the battery after charging the battery. Okay. You slide it and it locks in. Okay. You see it now. So what do we do? So we want to test it. So I will have to straighten the hose first before I put it into the body of water. So you can see now I had to straighten the hose. Okay. I had to straighten the hose before I put it into the body of water. Right? So I'll ensure that this is deep inside the water. Inside the water now. And then I'll look through the hose. If there's any place that is bent, I'll have to straighten it. Okay? I don't think there's anywhere that is bent. So now let's test. Okay, let's test. It will take you some seconds before it will start running. So you don't just push it once and just maybe you push for you press for say 3 minutes, 3 seconds, and you say it's not working. No, you have to hold like you saw me doing just now. But you see why it's not coming out well. There's something I've not done. I've not included the final compartment here. So what I will do is I'll pull this back, lock this in. Okay. So pull this back, then you release it. So now let's. So this one is going straight. This one is really good. This red is good for interlocking. The water goes straight. You can see the distance the water is getting to. So let me try the white. Oh, I didn't fix it properly, you see. So I have to pull this back, then lock it in. Okay. And then you get. So that is how you do it. Okay. I just had to do this test because I've not charged the battery, so I wouldn't want to stress. I wouldn't want to stress the battery too much. Okay. Yes, I need to go charge the battery. Okay. So you can see. So that's basically how it works. Okay.